Hello, hello, hello. I welcome you all to today's class. This is your favorite mathematics teacher, Comfort Amwako. All right, so if today is the very first time of joining my class, and if you are yet to subscribe, please look down there and click on the subscribe button to subscribe. Then you click on the notification bell too to receive updates from me all the time. Thank you. Okay, so today I have so many activities to take you through. But before I start with today's class, I have some nice riddle to share. So now relax, listen to the riddle, and give me your answer at the comment section. So riddle. I'm a decimal number with two decimal places. I am less than 100. So I'm going to give you a clue in getting the answer. All right, so the first, choose my 10th place as an odd number, which lies between 0 and 6. Okay, the 10 digits is 3 times the 1 digit. The 100 digit is the sum of the 10s and the 1 digit. The 10s digit is 2 times the 10s digit. I believe some of you are getting it already. Great. So now provide your answer at the comment section. Or stay with me. At the end of the class, I'll give you the final answer. Okay, I have another one, two to share. Let's look at it. All right. I'm a 2 digits decimal. My 10th is twice my 100th. My 10th is twice my 100th. And the sum of my digits is 12. What number am I? Think and provide your answer. If you are smart enough, you compare your answer to mine after the class because I'm going to provide the answer there. All right, now let's come to today's business. Great. Okay, so now you tell me this. I'm going to do a lot of activities using strip of papers, okay? So pick your jotters, get some strip of papers, and let's go through today's class together. So by the end of the lesson, let's state our objectives for today's class. Okay. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to, 1, add common fractions. Should be able to add common fractions with same denominators. Same denominators. Then you should also be able to add common fractions. Should be able to add common fractions. Okay. With difference. Pardon me, I'm using a software, so fine. Okay, so with different denominators, right? Easily. All right. Okay, so we're going to should be able to add them easily with the various activities we are going to do. Okay, good. So All right. So tell me this. What fraction have I made over here? Okay, so this is also representing this. Strip of paper, something here. So name the fraction. I'm going to draw the same thing over here for you. Okay, got my square sheet of paper. Then I divide it into 4 equal parts and shade one portion after red. Good. So now name this for me. Excellent. This is what's 1 out of 4. 1 out of 4. Great. Excellent. Okay, so with this one, how did you get the answer? How did you get a 1 out of 4? Good. I can hear some people saying that is perfect. You realize that the total number of divisions became your denominator. All right, so this 1 out of 4, the total number of divisions became your denominator. Whilst the number of shaded portions became your numerator. Numerator. Good. Good. All right. So now with this idea, tell me this again. Do a fraction of the form 3 out of 5. So that's how you're going to do it. 3 out of 5. Perfect. Mine here. Okay, so I think I made it 2 out of 5. So okay, so 2 out of 5. 2 out of 5. Great. So I have how many divisions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is our denominator over here. That is our denominator. Then the number of shaded portions, that is 1, 2. And that gives us our numerator. All right. Great. Okay, so having known this, we're now going to go through some activities. Okay, to add so many fractions together using just one strip of paper. Okay, all right. So now it's time for you to take a strip of paper now and do this for me. So activities. Let's try this one. Okay, so the first activity I want us to go through is adding okay, all right, so I'll be adding 1 out of 6 and 2 out of 6. All right, so I'll be adding addition of fractions, okay, with same denominator. Addition of fractions with same denominators. Good. So we are adding 1 out of 6 to 2 out of 6. How do we do that? How do we do that? Great. So I'll take you through the activities and I'll give you one to do it on your own. Okay. All right. So the first I have here, I have my strip of paper. I have a lot of papers here. Just for you. Okay. So I have my strip of paper here. Then in our introduction, we said that the total number of divisions becomes your what? Your denominator. So it means we are tackling the denominator first. So we are going to fold the strip of paper into how many divisions? Great. Into 6 divisions, because our denominator here is 6. Right, so now let's do it together. We are folding this into 6 divisions, okay? So this tutorial will be best for both teachers and students. It will help both teachers and students, okay? All right, so we are folding this into 6 equal parts. Well, physics, okay. 1, let's go. 2, let's go. 3, let's go. 4, let's go. 5. So let's open it and count the number of divisions we have in all. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And that is perfect. That is what we need. Then, so we folded it into 6 divisions horizontally, okay? Good. Then the fraction was what? 1 out of 6. So we shade 1 part out of it. So that is what I've done. Then I'll shade 1 part out of it. So do it and let's see, okay? All right, so let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. It should be equal parts, okay? 3, 4, and 5. Your coding should be very full. So I guess the right result. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. Then we shade 1 part of it to represent our fraction, which is 1 out of 6. So do that. So we shade 1 part out of the 6 divisions. So this is given as a 1 out of 6. And how do we add the 2 over 6 to it? Good. So the first divisions we did horizontally, okay? So the second one we are going to do it in what? Vertical form. Great. So the same sheet of paper, we are going to fold it into 6 equal parts vertically. Right. So let's do it together. The same sheet of paper I did. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it means I'm getting my divisions. So the first one I did in the horizontal form, and the second one in what? The vertical form. Great. But the fraction is what? 6 out of 2 out of 6. It means that I'm going to shade 2 parts, okay, in that. So I'll shade the whole of this and the whole of that. So I'm going to shade 2 parts out of the 6 divisions I have made. And that is giving me this. All right, great. So look at mine. So I have the first one as 1 over 6 here. And the second one as 2 over 6 over here. Great. So doing this, let me draw it for you to see it well too. So the first we did, so let's say there's a strip of paper. Let's say this is a strip of paper. Great. Then our fraction is 1 out of 6 plus 2 over 6. So we first divided it into how many parts? 6 equal parts horizontally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we are having 6 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. Then we shaded 1 part out of the 6. Great. So we had something like this, and I believe you were able to also do it as well. Good. Then the second fraction, We also divided it into how many parts? 6 equal parts vertically. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Your division should be equal, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Great. Then we shaded 2 parts out. So the 6. Okay. So we shaded 2 parts. So it's now cross out, okay? We are shading 2 parts. There's the first part and there's the second part. Okay. Good, 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 good. So now we have all our fractions on it now. Okay, so with this one, what do we do? How do we get the answer? It is very easy. Now, in our introduction, we said that we said the total number of divisions becomes your denominator, right? Good. So it means we're going to count the total number of divisions that we have. So 1, let's go together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Great. I believe you're also getting the same 36. Good. So we have 36, and how do we get our numerator? Okay, so that one too, we are going to count the number of shaded portions. So let's do it together. But keep it in mind that the doubled shaded portion will be counted as well 2. Okay, so looking at the strip of paper we have in here, we have some doubled portions. That is this side and this side. So we are going to count them as 2. And the single shaded portion as what 1. You get it? So this is 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Great. That is giving us what? 80 out of 36. And so this is our answer for this fraction. Okay, so now we can prove our answer, but I'll add another example to it. Let's see. So I have done mine. I'll give this as an example for you to also do as you show me your answers. Okay, so do this. Add 4 over 7 to 2 over 7. Add 4 over 7 to 2 over 7. All right. So how do you do it? You go to the same procedure. So with a strip of paper, what do you do first? You first of all divide the strip of paper according to the number of or the figure at the denominator side. So with us, we have 7 as our denominator. So it means you're going to divide a strip of paper into 7 equal parts. All right. So we are assuming, okay, so let's take the strip of paper and see. We're dividing it into 7 equal parts. All right. So we have 1, 2. This is yours, so I expect to see your answers. 3, your result. 3, 4, 5, and 6. I expect to get 7 divisions. Okay, when you have 6 foldings, I expect to get 7 divisions. All right, so that is so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent. Good. Then you shade how many parts out of it? We shade 4 portions. That is horizontal, okay? So let's do it. 1. All right. I have my shaded portions now. Okay, so that is it. I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and I have 3 unshaded parts because I divided into 7 actually, and shaded. I've shaded 4 parts out of it. Then how do we add the 2 out of 7 to this? So as we did in the first example, you on the same sheet of paper, you further fold it into 7 equal parts vertically. Okay, you further fold it into 7 equal parts vertically. So the same sheet of paper, you now fold it into 7 equal parts vertically. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I try to get 7 foldings, divisions. Okay, so we are getting our 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. Then we shade 2 parts out of it. Okay, to represent our 2 over 7. So I'm shading mine. Do yours too over there. Okay, so I'm getting something like this. I've shaded 2 parts out of the 7 divisions. Are you seeing it? Good. So do yours over there and you see it better. Okay, so it's like this. Let's say this is a strip of paper. Okay, or a square sheet of paper. Then we first divided it into 7 equal parts horizontally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me create another part down to get our 7 divisions. Great. Then we shaded 4 out of it, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is representing our first fraction, which is the 7 over 4 over 7. Then to get or to add the 2 over 7 to it, what did you do? Great. You further divided it into 7 equal parts vertically. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Are we getting our 7 divisions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. Then you shade 2 parts out of this. Okay, so you cross out. You cross out. 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 Great. Now we have all we have our fraction now. So how do you get the answer? First, you count the total number of divisions that we have in all. How many divisions do we have in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So meaning we have 49. Great. So we have 49 divisions in all. 7 by 7 is 49. Then, how many shaded portions? Don't forget that I said that the doubled shadings becomes the doubled shadings, you will count that what so that's the double shadings. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. So you count the double shadings as 2 and the single as 1. So let's count them. We have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, All right, so let's add this to it well so that I don't go confused. Okay, so 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 13, great, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, yes, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 42. Okay, 42. And that is perfect. So well done. Now let's confirm our answers. Okay. All right. So the first example we did, let's say we have 1/6 plus 2 out of 6. Okay. I will treat the LCM very well with you, how to get LCM, the least common factors, and other things, how to reduce fractions, and so many others, right? So I will leave this out for now. I don't want to confuse you of what you've learned. Good. So let's pick it as this. When I teach you, I'm taking you through the least common multiples and the greatest common factors, you would appreciate this very well. Okay. So solve more examples and let me give you an assignment to do. So this is for addition of fractions, right, with common or with same denominators. Now let's come to addition of fractions with different denominators, okay? So addition of common fractions, addition of common fractions with different denominators. Okay, great. So I'll just pick 1 or 2 examples because you're eventually going to apply. And since you have the idea now, you can now apply it to solve so many examples on your own. Okay, so picking the first example, I have here. Okay, so the first example I have here is 2 out of 5 plus let's say 1 out of 3. Okay, so 2 out of 5 plus 1 out of 3. How do you go about this? The same procedure. So if you're home of, let's say, 5, put yourself into groups, okay, and do this. All right, so the same strip of papers for cards, you'll get this done in just a few minutes. So the first you do is get a strip of paper. Get a strip of paper. Then divide it horizontally. The first one, we are tackling the first fraction, okay, into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great. Then you shade how many parts out of it? 2. Excellent. Good. So with this, I'm going to shade 2 parts to represent my 2 out of 5 divisions. Okay. All right. So there's a 2 out of 5. Then how do we add the 1 out of 3 to it? The same thing. Don't be scared. Okay, so with this one too, I'm going to get 3 divisions vertically. So 1, gosh, this should be too small. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. So my division is now 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Great. Then we shade how many parts of it? 1. Okay, so you're going to shade just 1 part. Just 1 part of it. Okay. So we cross out like this to get 1 out of 3. I believe you are following and you are getting it right. Good. Okay, so that's how you get your final answer. The same thing as we did in our previous examples. The total number of divisions becomes your denominator. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So in all, we have 15 divisions. Okay. Then how many shaded portions? We have 1, 2. This will be counted as well 2 because it's double shaded. Okay, so 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we are getting our final answer as what? 11 out of 15. So this is addition of common fractions with different denominators, right? So let me give you one to also try your hands on. Okay, let's say we have 5 out of 9 plus 3 out of 5. Very easy. You go through the process. Take a strip of paper, fold it into 9 equal parts, shade 5 out of it horizontally, okay, to represent your first fraction. The second fraction, you further fold it into what? 5 equal parts vertically, and you shade 3 out of it. Then you now count your total number of divisions as a denominator and your shaded portions as your numerator, right? But don't forget that the double shading should be counted as a 2 and the single as a 1. So simple. All right, so let me add one as your homework and go home, try this. All right, so the first one, I have 2 out of 5 plus 1 out of 2. Okay, simple fractions. We have 3 out of 7 plus 1 out of 5. The last one, 1 out of 2 plus 3 out of 4. So simple. So try your hands on this and I'll come out with your answer. Okay. So I'll be expecting your nice diagrams at the comment section. Do it, take a shot of it and send it to me at the comment section with thumbs up. Okay, so if you are very happy with this tutorial, don't forget to give me a thumbs up there to like the video, okay? So in our next tutorial, I'll take you through subtraction, multiplication, and division of fraction using the same approach. And it's very simple. It's not going to be difficult at all. So stay tuned to this channel. Share the links to your friends as well to enjoy what you're enjoying. Thank you for your time and your attention. Till we meet again, please stay safe and learn hard. Bye.